Uh, Hello everyone. Here I'm with a new question from coordinate geometry, and this is a short question, usually asked for 2 marks. And in here, we are trying to find that the given two lines are parallel. So, the simple rule to show that two lines are parallel is that their slope must be equal. For example, there are two straight lines. So, if the slope of first line m1 and slope of second line m2, if they are equal, then we can say that they are parallel. And in the case when the two lines are perpendicular, here what actually happens is, if suppose this is first line with slope is m1 and this is the second line with slope is m2, if these two lines are perpendicular, and in this case if we multiply the slope of these two lines, then our result should be -1. So let's see if the given lines over here is parallel or not. So it says so that the lines are parallel. So let's find it out. Solution. The given equation of lines are, so the first equation is 3x plus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0. Let this be equation 1, and the other is 6x plus 8y plus 7 is equal to 0. Let this be equation 2. So let m1 and m2 be the slope of equation 1 and 2 respectively. Then let's find out the slope of line 1. m1 is, so the formula for slope is minus coefficient of x by coefficient of y. So in equation 1, the coefficient of x means the number that is just behind this variable x, so that is 3. So -3 upon, next is 4. So let's find it m2 in similar fashion. So for second line, equation 2, the formula for slope is the same, coefficient of y. So here the coefficient of x is -6. Sorry, 6. So it's -6 by, and y is 8. So if we cancel this, 2 3s are 2 4s, it's -3 by 4. So we can see here the slope of line m1, slope of first equation m1 is -3 by 4, and the slope of second equation 2, which is m2, is also -3 by 4. So since m1 is equal to m2, the given lines are parallel. Thank you.